Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March 1st, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, in an address to a joint session of Congress, U.S. President Donald Trump outlined his goal of speeding up FDA approval of new drugs, calling the current process slow and burdensome. Trump said that present regulations keep too many advances from reaching those in need, adding, "If we slash restraints, then we'll be blessed with far more miracles." Also in the news, Jacob Rees, head of Novo Nordisk's operations in North America, has resigned from his position following his appointment in September last year. Jyske Bank analyst Frank Horning Anderson commented, "Investors had confidence in Jacob Rees, so I think this will be received negatively by the market." In other news, the FDA approved Lexicon Pharmaceuticals' Xermelo in combination with somatostatin analog therapy for the treatment of adults with carcinoid syndrome diarrhea. The agency noted that the tryptophan hydroxylase inhibitor hampers the production of serotonin by carcinoid tumors and reduces the frequency of carcinoid syndrome diarrhea. In addition, Mylan's fourth quarter sales surged 31% to $3.3 billion, topping analyst estimates of $3.2 billion. Meanwhile, profit reached $417.5 million, up from $194.6 million in the year-ago period, with shares in the company rising over 7% on the news. And finally, the FDA granted priority review of Celgene and Agios Pharmaceuticals filings seeking approval of enasidenib for the treatment of certain patients with acute myeloid leukemia. The application, which has a target review date of August 30th, is for patients with relapsed or refractory disease with an IDH2 mutation. To read these and other stories in full, please visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.